Hi, in front of me is VIVO V20 and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this Vivo. First of all, open settings and tap on sound right away. Then tap on vibrate full calls and pick one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on this option and go back. Now you have to scroll down, just prevent ringing, click on the switcher, and over here you can select the vibration by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll down, and click on the switchers next to all of vibration features to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!